Okay, to graph the inequality here, y is less than 4/3 x minus 2, the first step is to graph the line where we set this as make this an equal sign instead of an inequality. So 4/3 x minus 2. To graph this line, we can make use of the fact that the y-intercept is -2. So the line passes through the y-axis at -2. And the slope is 4/3. That means the rise divided by the run is 4/3. If the run is 3, the rise is 4. So if I go over 1, 2, 3, I'll have to go up 1, 2, 3, 4. Be back to the line. This time though the line is not a solid line because there's no or equal to, so we're not including the points on the line. Step 2 here, well, let me just illustrate this more clearly. The run was 3 here. And the rise was 4. That's how we got from the y-intercept back to the second point on the line. Now for part 2 we have to figure out what side of the line is shaded. We can ask, is the origin shaded? Here's the origin. So we answer that by plugging those values into the original inequality, substituting x in for the x value and 0 in for both of the x and y values here. We end up getting 0. We wonder, is 0 less than 0 minus 2? 0 is less than -2. No, that's not true. There's 0, there's -2. -2 is bigger, not -2. So this is false. Which means the answer to our question here is no. So the origin is not shaded, it must be the opposite side. So the shading is over here. This is the solution set to that linear inequality.